Hello, my name is Edilson Sadier Samboni Saavedra, and I am going to present. My tour is guide to that destination of that San Pedro River. That San Pedro River is located in that country of Colombia, in that department of Cauca, in that municipality of Santander de Quilichao. That climate in San Pedro is cool and its temperature is 20 degrees. That San Pedro River is a wonder, full place to visit, to spend a pleasant weekend with family, with friends. It is ideal to connect with nature. That means of transport to get to that San Pedro River with that car, that motorcycle, that bicycle, and that horse. That pleasant to stay and dance destination are that lodgings and camping. That trip lasts 12 days and 2 nights. And that first day and night is made a tour of that magical. For it is made in it is dur, is ir and camping. And that checking day you can enjoy that delicious river wander, spend and with your family and caught over fire wood. And that third day sport are played and one got to that San Pedro pool. That typical food of this place are pandy, potato corn shampoo, and pat sancoche. That cat or that to that destination of that San Pedro River is 150,000 with well wait for you. Thank you very much for that attention. Hit well.